This is what I would call a back to Eden carrot explosion. I got an idea from someone in one of my gardening groups that just scatters her carrot seeds into the wood chip layer on top, waters it in, lets it sift and land where it needs to down below. And I was honestly extremely skeptical that anything would work. But as you can see, a literal carrot explosion has happened. I'm probably going to get all sizes of carrots in here unless I do some major thinning. But I'm kind of wanting to see what happens because the soil underneath is extremely loose and beautiful soil. So theoretically they should have enough room to expand and grow beautiful long carrots. Already starting to get their first set of true leaves. I'm just amazed at, one, I didn't realize how many carrots I actually threw in here. And two, I did not expect any of them to germinate and do this well. They've been in the ground maybe 2 weeks. So I'm probably going to do a couple of updates to show how they're growing and the actual harvest to see what happens on the size of the carrots and the health of them when they come out. Can't wait to see what happens. Thanks for watching.